to the screen with me. Movie magic comes alive here at the Aquaverse. Oh, welcome to the Aquaverse, a world of make-believe, like you've never seen before. Here at the Aquaverse, all the movies come to life right in front of you. Let me start the cue. Action will live in 3, 2, 1. Take a leap of faith, riding on the waves. It's adventure